Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your artistic journey. Today, once again, I want to talk about the power of watercolor practice. As artists, we all dream of creating beautiful paintings. We admire artworks with glowing light, fresh colors, and confident brushstrokes. But behind every beautiful painting, there is something very important: practice. Watercolor is not a medium that we learn in a few days. It takes time, it takes patience. Most important, it takes regular practice. When we first start painting, we often want everything to be perfect. We want every wash to be smooth. We want every color to be mixed beautifully. We want every painting to be successful. But watercolor does not work that way. Sometimes the water moves too quickly. Sometimes the colors spread in unexpected direction. Sometimes we lose an important highlight. Sometimes an entire painting does not turn out as we hope. But these moments are not failures. They are lessons. Every mistake teaches something new. Every unsuccessful painting gives us experience. Every brushstroke helps us understand watercolor a little better. Watercolor is very similar. The more you paint, the more comfortable you become. Your eye becomes sharper. Your understanding of water and color becomes stronger. When you see a beautiful painting online, remember that you are looking at the result of many years of practice. You are not seeing all the failed paintings, experiments, and learning experience behind it. Instead of comparing yourself with other artists, compare yourself with your past self. Ask yourself, am I painting more confidently than before? Am I understanding colors better than before? Am I learning from my mistake? If the answer is yes, then you are improving. Sometimes students tell me that they do not have enough time to practice, but even a small amount of practice can make a difference. 30 minutes a day can teach you a lot over a month. A few small studies can teach you more than waiting for the perfect time to create a masterpiece. Remember, progress does not always happen quickly. Sometimes improvement is slow and difficult to notice, but every painting adds something to your experience. Watercolor also teaches patience. We learn to wait for paper to dry. We learn to observe carefully. We learn that rushing often creates problems. This lesson helps us not only in painting but also in life. As a watercolor artist, we should not to be afraid of blank paper. A blank sheet is full of possibilities. It is a place where we can learn, experiment, and grow. The artist who improves the most is not always the most talented artist. Often, it is the artist who continues painting when things become difficult. It is the artist who keep practicing even after making mistake. It is the artist who refuses to give up. So today I encourage all of you to keep painting. Paint when you feel inspired. Paint when you feel uncertain. Paint when your last painting was successful. And paint when your last painting was unsuccessful. Because every painting teaches you something valuable. Remember this simple message. Practice creates confidence. Confidence creates freedom. And freedom helps us express ourselves as artists. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep enjoying the beauty of watercolor. And most important, keep practicing. Thank you and happy painting.